This is a 2007 Kawasaki Brute Force 750 4x4i independent suspension. It has 175 hours approximately and 1,125 miles. I'm going to walk around and show you the condition. This has been used for about 1,100 miles, and it looks like it's been down some trails. It's got some scratches in the plastic. Front fairing is pretty intact up here in the front. Down here on the corner, this was a crack in the fairing where somebody probably caught that on something, and previous owner repaired that with some zip ties. It was actually a pretty ingenious repair. It holds it perfectly and actually doesn't look too bad, a little bit like Frankenstein. You can see the rest of the plastics up here look fine. Just some light scuffs and scratches from shoes and boots. Down here on the rear fairing, the insignia is just a little worn here on this little kind of plastic decal right there. And on the rear, there's a little kind of a mud guard. There's a little crack in it right there. You can see that. Some scratching right here. A little light scratching right here. Once again, that rear mud flap cracked right there. This whole rear fairing piece is all intact. It's just this little kind of mud flap that's cracked in the two spots on the back. Once again, a little wearing on the decal here. Some scratching right here where shoes or boots have hit the plastic. Now on the right side here, we have the same crack kind of in the same place, and we repaired that in the same fashion on the other side with some zip ties. And it's perfect. It actually is pretty much just as strong as the rest of the fairing. It's not going to come apart anytime soon. Also some light scratches up here through the middle and the front. On the front bumper guard, the plastic, also some scratches from trail riding. And down here in the bottom there's a little protective plastic piece, and that is cracked, as you can see right there. But the plate is still in place and good. This Brute Force has heated grips. You can see those right there, and the switch to operate those right there. And we'll go ahead and fire it up and take it for a rip around the lot, show you how she goes. There it is. Starts right up every time. Transmission shifts well. It's four-wheel drive on demand. It's got the selector switch here on the right grip shift. You can select between 2- and 4-wheel drive right here. And I didn't mention also the tires. You should look at those. There's good tread remaining. These are the rear tires, and there's your front tires. Pretty good life left there. There's the other side and the left rear tire.